Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the BitBranding YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna be showing you 4 easy tips to sell more through live selling, including one method that most people haven't even ever heard of before. I'm gonna be sharing with you at the end of this video. So if you're one of those people who goes to take notes, make sure to go grab your iPad, your notebook, whatever that is, and let's get started. All right, you guys, before we get started, I just wanna say welcome, especially to everybody new. My name is Aaron Pearson. I'm one of the co-founders here at BitBranding. We've been helping frustrated store owners since 2015 become impactful store owners through tutorials, tactics, and strategies. And if you wanna support our channel, it's truly appreciated. All you have to do is just hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we have here is timing. So when should you go live? When you go live does matter. 3 o'clock in the morning, probably not the best time to go live. It matters for your business specifically. The great way for you to figure out when you should go live is to look at your Google Analytics or your Facebook Analytics and see when people are the most active. That's when you want to do it, okay? Poll people who are your target market to find out. Let them choose and then test it. See what works for you and your business and come back to it. All right, you guys, so if you thought that timing was important, which it absolutely is, the secret method here to getting more people on your live videos and getting more sales, we're gonna talk about it a little bit later. All right, so number 2 are tools and tech. They're the lifeblood of a successful live sale. Here's a list of the things that you should get. Again, if you're grabbing notes, I would pause this video, go grab some notes, sit down, and get this list ready. Tools and tech. So 1, you need a good tripod. You just need a tripod, a great smartphone. It's like a wink at you iPhone. Get a good smartphone, okay? Lighting, super important here. We have lighting here for this video, otherwise it'd be much darker. And the better the lighting is, the more of an experience it's gonna be for them. One other tip here, hang tags. If you have a clothing rack that you're gonna bring in multiple shirts, label those shirts, because especially as you use something else, like a third-party app, you want to make sure that it's really simple for people to know exactly what they're buying. If you have somebody who's gonna help you, which is the next one right here, game changer, if they're helping bring in the products, they want to be able to know which ones to bring next. Having one model aligns with one person, right? So if you have a guy model, cool. But what about different sizes, right? Different shapes. We're all different people, so the more that you can bring into that, the better. And then the addition to that is that somebody else could be the main character on the video, but then they could be bringing in new people to bring in the new clothes, and it just adds some back and forth, right? So treat this more like a show at that point. Probably the most beneficial we've used for almost every single one of our clients. We highly suggest Comment Sold. This is an amazing tool. It allows you to do everything seamlessly. Somebody wants to comment below, they get invoiced. It's all handled right there. You don't have to worry about PayPal and manually invoicing people. Which brings up a very good question. Are you using live selling tools like Comment Sold? I want to hear it down in the comments. Let us know, are you using Comment Sold? If you answered no in your head, I'm gonna put a link to in the description of Comment Sold. There's no discount, there's nothing out there like that for Comment Sold, but what happens if you click the link that we have? It is an affiliate, I'm just be completely upfront with you, but the experience is completely different. If you go to commentsold.com, you're just gonna be another number. If you click through our link, they're gonna onboard you and they're gonna tell you exactly how to make the product or service work. Regardless of what you do, the link is in the description. Go check out Comment Sold. I promise you it's gonna help change your business. All right, number 3 we have here is to educate your audience. This is so crucial for the longevity and the success of your business. So imagine somebody who's jumping on your live video, they're looking at their phone, they have somebody who's talking and they don't know how to interact. They don't know how to engage. Well, guess what? They're going to check out. They're gonna say see you later because they don't know what to do. People will do what you tell them to do. You just have to tell them to do it. You wanna make sure that you tell those people how to participate. So it's interactive, but most importantly, every 10 to 15 minutes you're doing the live video, revert back to the exact same script that you did in the beginning, because you want to tell people how they can interact, how they can engage, how they can buy, what they should do to sign up if they're using a tool like Comment Sold. And you want to do that every 10 to 15 minutes because people are jumping in and jumping out. You may see a consistent number of 30 or 40 people, but at the end of the video, you're going to see like 200 or 300 views, maybe even more. It doesn't matter. The point is that people are jumping in and they're jumping out. So every 10 to 15 minutes gives you an advantage over the other people who are doing live videos because you're going to teach people how to sell. Super important. All right, you guys, the moment that you've been waiting for. I want you to brace yourself. Wait, I'm just kidding. But number 1, marketing. The only way to beat your competition is to stand out from the crowd with a clear message and effective marketing. Luckily for you guys who are watching this, 99% of people do not do this. What we see a lot of people do to try to promote their live sales. Text posts, maybe they do it every couple of days and they'll do a text post. They're inconsistent with when they do go live. They never educate their audience. They never have any product images that show them, hey, these are the shirts or these are the products or these are the dresses that we're gonna sell. There's no incentive on doing a contest or a giveaway or any types of teasing, and there's no advertising dollars that are spent on it. If you go live on Wednesdays and Thursdays and Fridays, okay, those other days of the week, if they're consistent, I would be putting out a post, at least 2 or 3 posts, and then running ads behind it. We don't really suggest to boost posts, but at least do something to get new faces, letting people know that you are going to go live, all right? Give us an advance notice, right? There's a lot of things going on in our lives, right? So make sure to give people notice, have them put it on their calendar, tell them to put it on their calendar. This last tip here, I think is so crucial. Go live at least for 1 hour. The time will fly, I promise you this, even if it's your first one. Think about going to the mall. If you go to the mall and you spend 3 hours, guess what? You're gonna spend more money. If you're going live for 15 minutes, you don't have to guess what, you know that people aren't gonna spend as much money. So go live for an hour, a little bit longer. It's gonna force you to interact with your audience. That is a trick. When you go live for these live videos, dedicate that hour. I almost promise you that if you do well in live selling, these hours be the most profitable in your business. So set aside the time and go at least an hour. And I did want to give one quick tip before we go as well. Use a tool kind of like Sezzle to break up payments. These are going to allow people to make payments over time, so they're going to buy more. Little nugget there that I threw in here with this last piece. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really want to hear from you. What are you most excited about with live selling? Leave a comment below. And if you want to learn more about growing your e-commerce business with Facebook ads, make sure to click this video, wherever it's at right here, and watch that one next. We'll see you guys on the next video.